Hey guys, what's going on? Just gonna do a quick update on Vechain. Ticker for this is VET, and I'm currently on the weekly time frame. Couple things before I get started though. First, if you're not subscribed and you want to be able to find this channel again once you click away, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. If you don't do that, and then you want to find the channel again, it may be hard just because, as you can see, it's relatively new, low subscriber count, and because of that, I'm not usually prioritized in the search algorithm. Also, if you want an exchange to trade Vechain and pretty much any of the other coins I talk about on the channel, check out the links in the pinned comment and the description for 3 different exchanges, and if you click those links, you'll get sign-up bonuses, right? Okay, let's get into it. I've covered this coin several times in the past, and in the previous videos, I marked out these levels. But there are a few things I just want to show you, and the main point of this video is I want to show you when is the time to get excited about Vechain, right? Because we have a lot of the altcoins breaking out, but Vechain, while it has broken out of this long-term falling wedge, which is a good sign, and we've since put in what could be a triple bottom, on the monthly it's actually a double bottom. So look here. This level is a key level on Vechain at around 0.01556, and you'll see here it lines up perfectly the lows of these candle bodies this month here, and then we had another 2 months consecutively where this level was maintained. So this lower level on the monthly chart is the bottom. You do not want to see a monthly candle body close below here. That's going to bring in lower price targets. However, this level held, which was a really good sign. So yeah, because this level was defended, and just considering where we are in the market cycle, I'm leaning towards this basically being the bottom, and now obviously we're working our way up. So the question is, where can we get excited? Where would constitute a breakout? Well, the most significant near-term levels of resistance is basically right here. Okay, so you see this horizontal line, it was the high right here. When we broke above it, we came all the way back down, and it held as a support for about 4 months right here, because each one of these candles represents 1 week of trading action. We broke below it, we came back above, and then it was support once again. But now that we are below it, this is going to be a level of resistance. This level, if you want to mark it on your chart, I would recommend just taking a horizontal trend line and pasting it right at the top of these candle bodies right here. And that level is about 0.02191. Just say 0.022. Okay, so that is the most significant near-term resistance that we're dealing with. However, as you can see right here, this cluster, we currently are at a resistance level, right? So I'll put this down to the daily time frame, and see this level here was resistance here, huge rejection, resistance here, another big rejection down to the lows, okay? And here we are once again at it. Now, what's going to happen here? Are we going to blast through it and basically break this 0.22 cent level, or are we going to come back down and retest the bottom of the range? This is not an area I would particularly want to take a new long position. So the question is, would I want to short here? A short here for me, I would have to place the stop loss. It would be above this wick, but to even be on the safer side, I could put it above this key level of resistance. So let's see theoretically what that would look like, okay, with the two stop losses in a different position. So a short position here, where we are, and the first example, I would place my stop loss above this wick right here and above my little target box. And then the question is, where would I target my take profit? Probably, I would say around here. Basically the support region here, resistance, and then we have a cluster of support right here. So this particular trade would give me a 1 to 2.36. It's not something I'm going to take. However, if I were to target all the way back down at the lows, which I honestly, I don't think we're going back down there, that would be a huge risk-reward ratio of 1 to 6.74. However, I just mentioned that I don't think we're coming all the way back down to the lows. So again, that's not a trade I'm going to take. Then if I wanted to reduce my risk of being stopped out, I place my stop loss above the major level of resistance. And let's say if I targeted the first target down here, that would be a risk-reward ratio of only 1 to 1.19. Okay, so I would not be looking to short here either. So for me, Considering all the new bullish momentum coming into the market, considering where we are in the market cycle with the halving just a few months away, all the ETF stuff on the table, I'm not looking to short Vechain. However, I'm not looking to open a new short to midterm long position until we break this level of resistance, 0.022. That's when I'm going to start getting excited about Vechain. So again, that's based on this weekly level right here. Now we start closing a weekly candle above this level, that's when I'm going to enter a long position, and that's when I'll just position my stop loss below here, and then my near term take profit off that long position is going to be likely up here. So for example, I'll just map that out for you. Long position, if I am able to get in right here, take profit would be conservatively at the top of these candle bodies right here. And my stop loss again will be below this key level of what is now a resistance. That would give me a risk reward ratio of 1 to 5.37, risking slightly over 5% on the trade to potentially get almost 30% to the upside. And again, this is actually a relatively conservative target. Now another key level, you see how I have this line in green, and down here I just put this in green because this is telling me these are monthly levels. Okay, so you see here on the weekly time frame we have candles cutting above it, right? So this level doesn't have any significance really on the weekly time frame. However, if I take this down to the monthly, what you're going to see is as we have this level here at the lows where it was basically propping up the candle bodies here, we have another significant level based on the monthly candle closes right here. So you see 2 months right here, and again right here. So all that trading that you just saw above this level on the weekly time frame, on this chart it just looks like a wick. And as you can see here on the monthly time frame, we just have a range. So this is the top level of the range, this is the bottom level of the range. Now the big sign for when Vechain is basically going to be off to the races for the next phase of the bull market, I think it's when we close a monthly candle above the 0.02717 resistance, and then we break out of this range officially. Again, that's a monthly candle close above here. And then if we're able to do that, I think the next key level is going to be right here atop these two candle bodies, monthly time frame, and that's going to be around 8 cents. So again, right now on the monthly time frame, we are in this range, the lower end of the range at around 0.01567, upper level of the range 0.02721, and this is based on the monthly candles. Weekly, as I just showed you, it's possible to basically cut through these levels, but just pay attention to how the monthly candle closes. And if you want the highest probable entry, monthly close above this green line. However, if you close a weekly candle above this horizontal level of resistance, and again at around 0.022, that's a really good trade setup to long it up to these levels for about a 30% gain. And that's just without leverage at all. If you use leverage, then this is going to be a huge potential trade opportunity. Anyway, guys, hopefully that helped. If it did, smash the like button. If you're not subscribed and you want to get notified when I release these new videos, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. And if you want a place to trade Vechain, check out the links in the pinned comment and the description. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.